In this lecture, I will discuss about the ankle ligament sprain. We are in lower extremity, the most common cases in physical therapy. Sprain is of the ligament. An ankle sprain is the common injury in which one or more of the ankle ligament is torn or partially torn. Maybe it completely or partially torn. The most common ankle sprain is the inversion type. Make up to 85% of the ankle sprain. There is in the ankle joint is inverted inside, and there is inversion ankle sprain. The most commonly torn ankle ligament is the anterior talofibular ligament. In case of inversion, there is anterior talofibular ligament is injured, which is on the lateral aspect of the ankle. When the ankle is inverted, the more stress on the lateral side, and the ligament that is present on the lateral side is the anterior talofibular ligament. Additional ligaments on the lateral aspect of the ankle include the calcaneofibular ligament and the posterior talofibular ligament. Anterior and posterior talofibular ligament and calcaneofibular ligament, but the most common injury is the anterior talofibular ligament. The treatment for the ankle ligament sprain is the who can use TENS for 20 minutes, transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, ultrasound, hot packs, and the massage therapy. Ankle range of motion exercises are helpful in this case. You can see here ankle sprain, the inversion type, and the anterior talofibular ligament is the injured. This is the ligament damage to the ligament of the ankle. In case of ankle ligament sprain, there is swelling, inflammation, and the bruising of the ankle. You can see here. Toe circles. We can go for exercises that first is the toe circles. Move your ankle through its entire range of motion, means range of motion of the ankle joints, so so that there is reduce inflammation and increase blood flow up and down, in and out, all the normal range of motions you can do. Move only the ankle and not the leg, only the ankle joint range of motion completed. Alphabet exercise is A, B, and C. With your leg extended, try to write the alphabet in the air with your toes. Ankle strengthening exercises. Once you have good range of motion, once the ankle injury is recovered, slowly you can go for ankle strengthening exercises. Swelling is controlled when pain is managed. You can go for strengthening exercises. First is step up. Begin one a short step and slowly step up in a controlled manner while focus on contracting the muscle of the foot, ankle, and the leg. Turn around and slowly step down in the same manner. Repeat these exercises several times a day. You can slightly after range of motion go for strengthening. Towel curl. While seated and barefoot, place a small towel on a smooth surface in front of you. Grasp the towel with your toes. In this case, your muscles can work, and this is also a strengthening exercise of your lower extremity, especially of the foot. Let go and repeat until you are moving your towels towards you with your toes. Repeat the action in reverse to push the towel away from you. Isometric exercises in which there is a muscle have same length. Gently push against an immovable object in four direction of ankle: up, down, inward, and outward. Hold 5 seconds and repeat this exercise several times a day. Tubing exercises use elastic tubing to create gentle resistance as you move through a full range of motion. Wrap the elastic band around the ball of the injured foot and resist the band as you can move your ankle up, down, means all ankle range of motion with any kind of strengthening present in it. You can go for it so that the ankle joint can strengthen and its muscle strengthen. These exercises incorporate the four motions of the foot. There are four motions in the ankle joint: up, down, inward, and the outward. Inversion, eversion, plantar flexion, dorsiflexion, You can perform and do these in repetition. Toe raising: stand with your heel over the edge of a step, raise up on the ball of your foot, hold this for 3 seconds and slowly lower your heel to the starting position. Repeat this exercise several times or 20 times depending on the patient tolerance. Heel and toe walking: you can walk on heel, you can walk on toe. If your ankle is not painful, you can do these exercises. Walk on your toes for 30 seconds, switch and walk on your heels for 30 seconds. This build your muscle strengthening. Do this exercise several times a day. In this lecture, I will discuss the ankle sprain. The most common is the inversion type, and I also discuss with you the range of motion. If the range of motion completed, then you go for strengthening exercises. I hope so you like this video. Thank you.